Okay, last day we were discussing about our workbook that is related to chapter number 2, and we were just discussing about the last part of the chapter number 2. These two, actually, I think we have discussed up to question number 4 in the activity 2.2, question number 4. We have discussed up to that level, and we discussed the technologies used by the optical drives and technology used by the magnetic drive, magnetic media. So that is magnetism. And optical drive, it's used optics. I said the laser beam is used to burn the CD. CD එක burn වෙනවා නැත්නම් CD එක පුච්චන්න ඒකෙන් තමයි data ගබඩා කරන්නේ නේද? So we learn optical technology can be used. A laser beam එකෙන් CD එකේ aluminium layer එක burn කරලා පිච්චීමෙන් තමයි, that burn is not like so you cannot see fire there, but there will be burn, a darkness or some melting will happen. Melt වෙලා නැත්නම් උණු වෙලා යනවා. So that is how we store data in the optical drives. But magnetic drives, magnetic වල චුම්බකත්වය පාවිච්චි කරලා තමයි, magnetism පාවිච්චි කරලා තමයි magnetic drives වල store කරන්නේ. North south, south north කියන පැති දෙක අනුව, north south නම් එක, south north නම් බිඳුව, ඔය විදිහට පැත්ත මාරු වෙනකොට එකද බිඳුවද කියන එක තීරණය කරනවා. It's complex process. So you don't have that in your level, don't worry. But I just wanted to explain what's going on in the hard drive, hardware, the magnetic disks and optical disks. Okay, don't worry, you won't get questions from that area, right? And then activity 2.3, list files and folders separately in the computer screen shown in the following diagram. Okay, so can you tell me the files and folders? Yes, what are the files, what are the folders? Hello. So see this image, can you tell me what are the files and what are the folders there?
Agenda, classroom, sheet, and office budget are documents, others are folders.
Agenda, classroom, sheet 1.
School images, scan document, office budget, science day video are folders.
School images, office budget, scan document, science day video are folders. Yes. So these 3 are files. Generally, I agree with your comment. Generally, I agree. So according to grade 7, yes, you can tell like that. But you can't exactly tell something by just looking at the icon. Okay, let me show this by small example. So is there anyone who wish to support me in this activity? Who can share the screen today?
I can.
Okay.
I can, sir.
Right. So Minulya said it first, so I'll give the chance to her. I'll definitely give chances to others also. So first come
Are
first.
you talking about that trick
Which one?
that you told us how to make a folder look like a file?
Yeah, so that's one. So that's why. So you can't exactly tell. So this is a file or folder. I think you can remember. Okay. So let me give the permission. Then Minulya, you can share the screen. Wait. Right. I think you can share the screen now. Minulya, you can share the screen now.
Sir, if I have to share, you have to stop sharing because 2
Yeah,
participants.
I have done. I have already done.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. What I have to do?
Okay. Okay, let's create a folder. Create a folder and name it. Rename it as, right click, renew folder, and name is as agenda. Put the name of agenda. Right, now you can remember agenda is a file in this workbook. Agenda is a file. So why you said that file, that as a file? Because it looks like a file. So just right click on the agenda now. Right click on the agenda now.
Excuse me, sir. Before that, don't we have to like show the extension of the other file?
No, we'll see that later, right? For the moment, let's do this. Right? Go to the properties menu. Go to the properties and you can see there something called in the customize. Go to the customize tab now. Customize, the last one. Yeah, there you have change icon. Change icon. Right now, just browse it. Don't change icon from there. Just click browse. Click browse icon. Yeah, that one, browse button. And now go to the C drive and just select program files. Can you see the program files over there in the C drive? Just scroll down a bit. Right. Okay. x86, yeah, that folder. Please go to that. And then go to, just scroll down a bit. Can you see Microsoft Office folder there? Okay, still I cannot see. Just scroll down, Microsoft. Okay, oh no, yeah, the Microsoft Office 15. Office 15 and proof. Just go inside. Okay, it's not there in that folder. Just go to the program files one, not the x86 program files. Yeah, yeah. Just go up again, up, and go to the back again one time. All right, that one, yes. Just program files, and under that, can you see Microsoft Office? The previous folder, yeah, that folder. Just double click and then go to the Office 15 one. No, come back again. Office 16, go to Office 16 folder. Oh, it's not there. Just come back again. And okay, just again come back. So where you have installed Office, I think you have multiple copies. Just go to the Office 15 folder then. Oh, you don't have. Okay, just go up again. No, not that one. Just go up again. Oh, back. Just scroll down a bit. Scroll down a bit. Okay, you are in x86 folder. So go to the C drive again. C drive again. Then select the other one, program files folder. Right, then right, just scroll down. Okay, go to Microsoft Office folder. Just click. Right, okay. That is the one that I'm. Go to the data. No. So right, just click close button. So you have multiple versions of Office. That's why it's struggling. Office 16 and 15. No, you don't have. Sorry. So close it. Just close it. Okay. Now you can see the Excel icon in the desktop. Can you right click on the Excel icon? Right click in the Excel icon in the desktop. No, not there. In the desktop, you have Excel icon. I can see, yeah, right click on that. Then go to properties. Then go to, okay, now you can see the location. It is there in program files, Microsoft Office root, right? You can see the folder location. Can you see? Microsoft Office root Office 16, right? That is the path. Now go and browse that. No, just close this. Just close this, right? Go to the browse again, and now go to C drive. Select C drive. There are select program files. Then Office, Microsoft Office. Right there you have root. Okay, there you have Office 15. No, go back once. Do you have Office 16? Yeah, Office 16 is there. Yes. Okay, now you can see excel.exe. Just scroll down. Can you see excel.exe? Just scroll down. You have to find this file anyway, right? Others also can try. So I'll give chance to some other person. Just scroll down, Excel. Oh, you can click on one file. Just click on one file. Just click on some, yeah. Then, right. Then using the keyboard, can you type Excel? Use the
What's
keyboard. Click on one file. Click on one of these files. Yes, click on that. Then type Excel in the keyboard. No, not there, not there. Just click on the file. File like uda click karala. Nikam file like uda click kala. Excel kila nikan type karan keyboard again. That will go to the here. You can see that will go to the location. That's it. Right. Okay. Right. Open that. Okay. Now you can see the Excel icons. So inside the Excel file, you can see the Excel icons. They are from there. You can select any icon that you like. So let's say second one bottom. No, not that one. Second row, the first one. Second row, first one. Second row, first one. This is second row, second one. Okay. Just select it and click OK and apply, and OK. Now you know agenda is a folder, but it looks like a file now, no? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
That's the thing that I said. So by just looking at the icon, you cannot tell whether it is a file or folder. But if you right click and go to properties, what will happen? If you right click on the agenda and go to properties, then you can see that as a file folder here. Then you can see the file folder, right? That is how you verify whether there is a file or folder. Or there's another way, that is by showing the extensions. That is by showing the extensions. As there was another one suggesting that why don't we show the extensions? Yes, that is another thing. But that can be even tricked. So you can put like your name, go to the file, rename the file. Rename it. You can put the name agenda dot agenda after dot XLSX XL X no X letter XL S S X, right? Okay, enter. Now, so anyone who looks at the computer can see that as a file, but that is not a file. Actually, it's a folder. It looks like a file, right? Because it has extension even, so it shows the extension even. It looks like a file, but it's not. It's a folder. So that's why I said, right? Okay, 10 year. Yeah, I'll give the chance to you now. You can stop the screen sharing. Minolya, you can stop the screen sharing. Right, 10 year.
Excuse me, sir. I have already created one. I'll let you guess if it's a file or a folder.
Okay, Teni. Can you show? You can share the screen now. Anyone else wish to try?
Can I say?
Who? Denuri?
Excuse me, sir. Can you guess?
Yes.
Okay.
Guess and tell me what's the file and what's the folder?
Which one? Out of
It's in
which?
the,
Out of which?
it's in the fourth row.
You have to. You can
From
highlight and show me. Just highlight and show me. So which one? That
this
one.
folder.
This row. Okay.
Now you can guess.
Okay. So guessing is. It seems it's difficult for me because you can, if you go, that's a folder. Then if you go and open, then you can say. But so you have given the exact same icon, no? Same icon, no? Same icon. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Very difficult to identify. So that tree invoice is a file, no? It's a file. This tree invoice, THREE invoice, is it a file or folder?
It's a file, sir.
It's file. The underneath that Among Us XLSS is a file. So that's why.
Yes, sir.
So it can be tracked. Okay, Denori, now you can also try. Denori, you can also try. Can share now.
Okay, sir.
So others, so you get your chances, right? So otherwise, right, you always try to get your chances here. Okay, agenda, then rename, right click and go to the properties and then customize, good, change icon and then browse, then find the Excel file location in the C drive, x86, Microsoft Office.
Excuse me, sir. By browsing, you can put any icon.
Yeah, any icon. You can put any icon. Even Word. So if you want to put Word icon, winword.exe. That will give you Word icon. PowerPoint, powerpnt.exe. Just click on some folder. Yeah, click on the folder. Any folder. ඕන එකක click කරන්න පුතේ. මොකක් හරි එකක් උඩ. හරි දැන් type කරන්න. Don't double click. Go back. Go back. Click on something. Then type Excel. නෑ එතනට යන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. එතනට යන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. Without going, click on the folder and type Excel. EX කියලා type කරන්න. Now you can see. It's going. It's EX. When you type E, here WinWord is there. Type E again, Excel. Here you can see the location, Excel EXE. Word also you can find like this, and you can PowerPoint also you can find like this. Okay, just open. So let's give Word icon. Let's give Word icon. Go to there and search WinWord this time. Same location, right? Same location. Okay. Click on any folder. No, it was not there in that name. Okay, click on WinWord, click on this. Click karla, then WinWord kila search kara. Here, yeah, that's a folder. WinWord. Okay, then you can see the word icons. Okay, open. That's all. You can see the word icons, right? So likewise, you can give any icon, any kind of icon. WhatsApp icon even you can give. Right? You have Telegram icon that can even give the browser icon or video icon, PDF icon, any icon you can give. So that is the thing, right? Okay, apply and click. Okay, now you can see agenda as a Word file. In the other hand, you can give folder icon to. You can give folder icon to a file also. Just right click on the desktop, Denuri. And then go to new and then go to text file, txt document. Okay, then okay, keep it as it is, right? Then press alt key and drag this. While pressing alt key, drag this file. Okay, that's all, right? Drop it now. It will create a shortcut. Now right click on the shortcut. Right click on the shortcut and go to properties. Right click on the shortcut, go to properties. Then again change icon is there. Change icon is there. Now also, now you can give a fold icon. So see, yes, you can select here. No need to browse. From here, you can give a fold icon to that. Just come down, come to the beginning. Okay, now you can see, okay, the last one, last row, the first icon is a fold icon. Yeah, you can give that. Apply and see. So then it looks like a folder then. So you can rename as a new folder, but you can see the shortcut part. But anyway, for file also you can give a folder icon. For folder you can give a file icon. So so because of that reason, you won't be able to identify that directly. That is the actual scenario, right? So real is always there are some differences. No, this is what a grade 7 student should know. So you said correctly, school images, office budget, scan document, science day video are folders, whereas agenda, sheet and classroom are files. Correct. In your level, but you should know the reality. In reality, a virus can manipulate that. Not even virus, a programmer or student even can manipulate that. Right, okay. So we learned that also how to manipulate, but don't cheat others, right? So because you should know that. Why? Because in case of trapped by a virus or another hacker or some person, you should know how to identify that correctly. Okay, the activity number 2.4 is the last activity for this chapter today. Consider the following files and write them under the suitable folder to store. Right, so you have to name a suitable folder. Term test marks list of the students in the class. Where you should store the term test folder. Yes, correct. Then a video of the school drama.
Drama video.
Drama video. Agenda of the sport meet. It's MS Word folder. No? So agenda can be put in MS Word folder. Then national anthem. Songs. Okay, picture of sport meet. So you don't have proper folder to put it, but you can put in any folder, right? Even drama video folder, you can put it. You don't have specific folder given for the picture. All right. Okay, so in addition to that, I will show you some special thing. Another case like, okay, I'll give the chance this time. Rovinu, can you share the screen? Rovinu, is it possible to you to share the screen? Seems he's not available. Okay, what about Yenoki? Yesali, can you? Yenoki or Yesali? Okay, it seems you're not ready. If you don't know how to share screen, please let me know, then you can learn.
Sir, shall I?
Okay, sure. Now you can share the screen. Yesali, now create a small folder, create a folder, right click and create a folder. Okay, now go to Google Chrome. There are some other ways to do this, but I'll suggest the easiest way, right? You can get from the register even. Just search CLSID, ID, okay, space, recycle bin. Now type it, recycle bin, RECY, now you can see, recycle bin. Okay, when you search that, others also can do the same, right? Others also can do the same. Search it, okay. Search it. And okay, you will get a list of, okay, just go to the first one, first link, and you can find Windows class identifiers. So this is also something special, right? It might take some time, and you can see we ask the recycle bin. Yeah, you can see the recycle bin over there. Just drag, so just scroll down a little. Okay, now you can see recycle bin. Here the third one from the last one, yeah, that one. Just copy the text, not that one. Can you see the number? Yeah, copy that everything. Just select and copy it. Right click and oh no, just copy the particular row, that cell content on the, just copy it. Okay, right click and copy it. Right click there and copy it. Okay, now just minimize this, and now go to the folder, right? Okay, rename then go to the rename. Now type, okay, REC something, REC dot paste this now. Control V to paste. Okay, press enter. Press enter. Okay, now we can see what, right? It's a, yes, what is that? You know that?
A recycle bin.
The recycle bin.
The
Right.
recycle bin.
It's a recycle bin, right? So what you should know, that is also a folder, but that is a special folder with a special icon. Okay, can you create new file there? Right click new file, not there, right click somewhere and create new, and then create, okay, create some file, create maybe not folder, text document. Okay, right. Now delete that file. Then you can delete it. Yes, delete it. And now double click on the new recycle bin that you have created. Just double click on it. Double click. And you can see the deleted one. No? Can you see all the deleted files and folders are now there in the recycle bin, right? So it is, now you have 2 recycle bins in your desktop. But that is also a special folder, right? So likewise, you can create my computer, my network places, my document, my music. My documents, music, pictures, videos, home room, my computer, everything you can create. Network. Yes, you can create all these things as folders in your computer. That is using that class identifiers. Right? Strange, no? Right. I think you have never learned this kind of stuff previously, hopefully. Have you learned that before? Anyone knew that?
No, sir.
Right, okay. So that is how computer works, basically. That is the reality. In reality, computers are having some different, so now you know, different folders. My computer is a different folder. Recycle bin is a different folder. You can create recycle bin if you wish. It's not a big thing. You need the class ID. If you rename that folder with the class ID, first you have to type the name for folder, then dot in the class ID, you will get that. You can experiment a lot. You can create many things now. Okay, so that is how it really works. So I really like if you can learn this stuff, because when you grow up, when you are growing up, you will do many things, right? So that, so basically, I really like this subject is added to the grade 6. I was really happy person, because when this was added to grade 6, because I know I was teaching for university students for a long time. Their basic knowledge is nil. Most of them are having like very like kind of narrow thought about the computing, and so do the A-level students. So I recently taught A-level students. They also know, they also try to like by heart everything in the subject without doing the practicals. But this subject is totally practicals. So you should know that.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
That CLSID, there's like lots of
Yeah.
codes now. Can you put everything and make a folder?
Put everything. Not exactly.
No, sir, one by one.
Yeah, one by one you can put. One by one you can put, and you can create different folders. So they know, yes, you have done that. Good. Recycle bin 1. And not only that, you can create my computer, my document, my network places, my music. Likewise, you can create folders. One by one you can put, not only recycle bin, right? Other things also you can do. Okay, so next is very important to us, because we are going to have our examinations, right? Did we start the chapter number 3 officially?
No, sir.
No. But I'll do few exercises, only the first part. Actually, the first 3 questions in the workbook, since you need this stuff to answer the examination paper, which I have already created, but I will put the schedule after this session. So we will have another session. After that, I'll put the schedule. Right. Next week you have the examination. Today is 8, means 8 plus 7 is 15. Just after the new year, you can do the exam after celebrating the new year. So you can celebrate your exam, right? So that is easy. Don't worry. It's only a 2-hour paper. So you can maybe answer within 1 hour. So only thing is you have to concern fully on the chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. You can do that exam. Exam will be enabled to you same day, and it will be disabled in the same day. ඒක enable වෙන්නේ උදේ දාම උදේ තමයි 15 වෙනිදා උදේ නෙමෙයි 15 වෙනිදා හවස enable වෙන්නේ. එතකොට 15 වෙනිදා රෑ 11:55ට disable වෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ කරන්න බෑ. ඔයා 5ට open කරොත් 7ට කලින් ඉවර කරන්න ඕන. If you open like 7 PM, you have to finish before 9 PM. If you open 9 PM, you have to finish before 11 PM. But after 9 PM, if you open like 10 PM, so you will not have time to finish because it will be disappeared by 11:55. So you can open it at 5 PM, 6 PM, 7 PM, 8 PM, maximum 9 PM. And that is a 2-hour paper. Online, you have to answer online, but everything should be given online. MCQ answers you can see, you can check, but there are some structured questions. For them, actually, we have to mark, then you can see the results. So try to be number 1. Don't know how you will score, but anyway, try to be number 1 or try to get marks more than 80. So that is the expectation. Okay, so then let's discuss this part. So actually we have discussed this in grade 6 also, but just for additional knowledge. So maybe just for additional, maybe enhancement. So this part is given in grade 7 also. Okay, what is computer hardware? Hardware. What is computer hardware? What do you think? Computer hardware කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? What is computer hardware? Yes. What is software?
Physical components of the computer system.
Yes, correct. Exactly. Very good. Tangible components of the computer system. Tangible means? Tangible means?
Can be touched.
Can be touched. Right. Okay. So please write down over there. Tangible. So within bracket you can type can be touched and seen. Can be touched and seen. Or physical components of the computer system are called hardware. Right? Okay. Tangible or the physical components of the computer system are called hardware. Right. Next, they are asking, okay, write down 10 examples for computer hardware. So before that, actually, this I would like to add small thing to this hardware. So please add this part also. Hardware can be categorized. Hardware can be categorized as input, output, processing, storage, memory, and communication devices. Hardware can be categorized as input, processing, storage, memory, and communication devices. It's very important. That is how you categorize hardware. Okay, so which comes first? So basically, you know, the computer system is taking inputs and processing them and producing outputs. Computer system is taking inputs, processing them, producing outputs. Inputs are then transferred to which device? Inputs are transferred to?
Logic and arithmetic. CPU.
Okay. So let me give you a small example then. Okay. What is the answer for 8 plus 10?
18.
18.
18.
18. Okay. 8 plus 10, 18. Okay. Add 8 plus 10 divided by 2 multiplied by 9. Subtract 10, multiply by 10, subtract 5, divide by 23 and tell me the answer.
Excuse me, sir. Can you repeat?
Okay. Why? What has happened? Because, can you remember the question now? No. Okay, then why you cannot answer? You can calculate, but you can't remember. So input should go to the memory, no? Input should go to the memory, right? That's what I want to check. 8 plus 10 you told 18 because it is there in your memory. It's a short instruction. It will go to the memory. But when instruction is long or data or information is too long, can memory accommodate that?
Yes.
Yes,
If it is too long, can you? How?
we can't say.
We can't, sir.
We can't. It's difficult. But we have mechanism to do that. How? We can write down. Right? We can write down. We can, if you write down the question that while I'm telling, if you can write down the question, then you can answer, because part by part you can take it to the memory and you can answer. Similar to that, computers can write down where inputs will go to the memory, but when memory is not sufficient, what will do? What will it do? Yes. Input will go to the memory. So you identified that. If it is not sufficient, it will write down where?
The RAM.
RAM is the memory. That is where you said that it is not sufficient. It's small. When RAM is not enough.
Hard disk.
Yes, hard disk. Hard disk means storage. Inputs will go to the memory. When memory is not enough, it will go to the storage. Then only it will go to the processor to process. And finally, it will output and it will be communicated. Right? You should know that. I'll give you a small diagram actually explaining this scenario. So you can write down this. This diagram shows how it happens. This is called logical or block diagram of the computer system. This says the logical connection between these hardware components. So can you quickly draw this? This shows the logical connection. No need to write down singular words. If you really wish, you can write down, but English word is enough, I think. This shows, write down the heading, interconnection of hardware components or block diagram of the system of a computer, then draw this. Okay, if you disconnect from this session, please reconnect, because this part is very important, right? Reconnect with the same link. If you disconnect, please reconnect with the same link. If anything not clear, you can ask. Now you can draw this.